Do you need help with pest control? We use only the latest in safe pest control removal technology. We handle large jobs and small ones. Mr. McGregor's Pest Control can help with the most intrusive of pests. You never know when a pest may be lurking around the corner. Don't let this happen to you! Call today!
Save me, Mr. McGregor! Save me! Save me, Mr. McGregor!
Is this you? Well, Mr. McGregor's Pest Removal Service can save you so you don't have to worry about those pesky tentacles ever again. No! Looking for a job? Mr. McGregor's Pest Control Services is looking for a brave, talented professional like you. Apply today.
Welcome, new recruits!
Hello, new recruits. Welcome to Mr. McGregor's Pest Removal Service. Let's go right this way. Do you have any experience at pest removal? How's about tentacle removal? No? Well, that's okay. It's going to be on-the-job training.
Well, I have some bad news. There are 0 benefits here at Mr. McGregor's Pest Removal Services. They're so stingy, they don't even give us fitted uniforms. You just find one off a dead body and you wash it really good. It's gonna smell so bad.
Anyways, the problem with this job is actually finding someone who needs tentacle removal.
Arr, mateys! Me ship is covered in tentacles, and I need ye help to blow up all the tentacles. Will you help me?
Paying customer, yes! Which way to the ship?
Me ship is over yonder.
Wait a minute, it's not through the swamp, is it?
It's through the swamp.
Alright, we'll go. Excellent, first day, a lot of activity. So we're gonna go through a swamp and through some water, but I mean, it's been raining all day, so you guys are pretty used to that. So here's the cool swamp. You could go ahead.
It's time to swim to the ship. I hope you're gonna hold your breath.
Oh, what is this? A beautiful mermaid.
Hi.
Beautiful mermaid, which way do we go?
You want to go that way?
Thank you, beautiful mermaid. Oh God, oh God, it's big. Oh God, oh God, this way.
Okay, who has the dynamite? Okay, excellent, come here. Okay, this right here is the heart of the tentacles. Once we get past this, there'll be a barrel, we have to throw the dynamite in it, and it'll blow them all up, okay? You think you can do it? Okay, let's go, hurry, hurry, hurry! Let's go right this way, through the tentacles.
The barrel! You can do it! The barrel!
Right this way, here's the barrel, throw it in! Okay, well hurry! Let's get out of here before it explodes! We gotta hurry! Go, 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 go! Ah! pirate blew up his own ship to rid it of tentacles? If you thought that was funny, wait to see all the floors at the Schadenfreude Hotel.